Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This tutorial is actually strictly for customers of the restaurant. This tutorial is focused on restaurant customers only. So now, as a customer, how do you use your website? Like, this is like the restaurant website. So how do you get this website in the first place? Probably you visit a restaurant and you scan the barcode on the table, or you visit their website directly, whichever way you visit them, or you scan the barcode on the table depending on the restaurant. So when you get to this website, you will see just a simple website, very user friendly. So you definitely see the restaurant name, like for this one is fast food, and just the restaurant logo, then the restaurant location or branch. You can select which branch you are ordering from. You can use this site from your home or wherever you are. So you can see home, book a table, about, contact. You can call a waiter. Yes, you can call a waiter from the website. Maybe you are in the restaurant, you want to call a waiter, you just click on call a waiter. You click on call a waiter and you request a waiter from there. So you can see when you click on call a waiter, it will ask you which table you are sitting. So for example, you are sitting on table 2. Do you want to notify the waiter table 2? You say yes, the waiter has been notified automatically. So it's as easy as that. As if you want to, you need the waiter's attention. So now I will just go straight to how to order. Maybe you want to order from your home. To order from your home, you can see right here you'll be having a lot of food items. This is just an illustration. So you're having a lot of food items. You can search, and if you're a vegetarian, you can toggle this button to green. You can see not found, because there is no food for vegetarian yet. So if there are food for, maybe you're a vegetarian, you just want only food for vegetarian, then you toggle that button and you can see only food for vegetarian. So for this illustration, the only food item you have here is eba. So let's assume you add eba, and probably you add more items. How many eba? You can increase the number you want. You can select eba and other things, and you can see here you have all menu. This is the only menu you have, just all menu. You can have multiple menu. You can select them. You can show all menu. You can show all category. You can do the category here is eba. So after you finish selecting all the item you want, then you go to view cart. So from this view cart, you can select if you want to dine in, that's eat in the restaurant, or you want a delivery, or you want a pickup. Let's assume you want to eat in the restaurant. You can make an order yourself. So you can pay now or pay later. Pay later will just automatically send the order and place the order for you, and you can see the preparation time. You understand? Payment is pending. You can see. So on this website, you can see if they've confirmed your order, if they are processing your order, and when your order is served. You can see basically every information you need on this page. So you can say, okay, let's take a new order and see something. I just want to show you something. Let's assume you order another eba again, for example, and you say view cart. So now for this one, I want to, okay, maybe I should restart this. I want to pay now. Let's say for this particular one, let's just say place order first. Let's place the order. Now I have 2 order. I placed 2 order. If you remember, I placed 1 and I placed 3 the first time. I placed 1 now. So now let's assume you want to pay now. I just want to show you how to pay. So to pay, you click on pay now. So you can see you can do bank transfer, and you can use Flutterwave. This bank transfer is actually offline bank transfer. You can see like an OP account. You make payment and you click on payment done. But in case the restaurant doesn't have this option, you can pay with your card with, let me click on that again. Show other payment option. Let's assume you want to pay with your card, for example. You want to even if you want to do transfer, you want to pay with almost every payment method you can imagine. Just click on Flutterwave. You click on Flutterwave, it take you to the other page of Flutterwave. So now this is if you want to pay with your card, if you want to do bank transfer, a lot of payments. You can see a lot of payment options here. So I'm sure some of you are familiar with Flutterwave already. So wait, oh, I made a mistake now. I need to do that again. I need to place order again. I need to make payment again. Sorry, I mistakenly cancelled that. So I want to make payment now. So let me just put in some random information there. Don't worry, it's fine. I'm paying 2,000 naira. So I make my payment. I made my payment 2,000 naira. You can see I've made transfer payments. So let's assume you want to book a table or you want to make a reservation at the restaurant. To make a reservation at the restaurant, you need to log in your account. But let's assume you want to book a table, for example, which is the same thing as making a reservation in the restaurant. So you click on book a table, then you can select the date. Let's say on Friday is when you want to go there, and how many guests. You can have as many guests as you want, maybe 2 guests, that is you and 1 person. Then are you going there for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? You can say lunch. What time? You can say 1 p.m. Any special request? You can say I want wine on arrival. For example, and you say reserve now. It's as easy, your reservation, you can see it as easy as that. So here is the thing, yeah. I already log in my account.